Ciao beautiful people and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm so happy to be you. And if you're new here guys, please subscribe to my channel. That one means a lot to me. As usual, in chit chats and requests, I'm on Instagram and I will put the link on the screen now. Today is a very different video and I'm very excited because it's the first time I've had a very long time I am experimenting with jewelry making. So I've got some goodies from Cobeads and I've done a whole video, an unboxing video, and I put a link in here guys in case you missed it. I got some lovely goodies from this amazing company. I've done another set of videos when I was using the dies, cutting dies, and now decided to make some jewelry. So first thing I want to show you guys, I saw this picture and I put on the screen on Pinterest, and then a few days later, I'm sure it was before Christmas, Betsy Doodle, my auntie D, she made a video creating this little angel. And again, I will put a link on the video on the screen. And I was really captivated. I was like, oh, they look amazing. And it's really like my style. I really love them. So I decided to have a go at making them. So I have made these 5 little angels. And I'm gonna zoom in so you can see in there. So I apologize about the state on my finger, but I'm covered in glue. They're very simple to make. So I've used some of my own beads in there, and I used the Cobeads angel, the little crystal beads in there. I love them, absolutely love them. So my favorite is the blue one, which I'm going to keep, and the rest of the angels will go out to happy mails that will do soon. I love them, absolutely love them. And then with the same sort of principle, I made some paper bead, which I will make. I want to make some more with you guys because I want to experiment some more colors. So the first thing I've done this bracelet. Again, super fun. Paper bits. I've used my Sharpies, hence why they're here, and as you can see here, I just colored them as a different shade of colors. I use some white, some black, some blues as well. So really happy with this bracelet. You guys tell me if you like it, if you will wear it as well. Then I made some earrings using the pepper beads that I made and the gems, the crystal gems I've got from Cobeads. So again, very simple to make. So I got the yellow one. I made some yellow and black, and I'm really obsessed with like antique brass when it comes to jewelry. I don't like silver or I don't like gold. But I like this sort of brass color, like an antique brass color. I just had to play with different colors of gems and paper bits. Then I made some more angel earrings. And see if I can put it on the back of my hand so you can see it. It's super cute, I think. There. So a little baby blue gem, my black, white and blue beads, the angel and the little pearl. And I've used also for Cobeads, there's like a pin, it's like an antique brass pin, just to mount everything together there. And then last, I want to show you just 2 more earrings. I've used blue, green and black with some greenish pearls there. Okay, what do you guys think? I don't know if it's something then, I know it's such a distinctive style that not many people will appreciate or will probably wear. I love them and I have so much fun making them. Fairly easy, but as you guys know, I'm very clumsy with my finger because I've got big hands. So it was really fun to hear pearls and things dropping on the floor constantly because I'm just very clumsy with my hands. So I drop everything every 2 minutes. Anyway, so that's that. So let me zoom out again. Let me move them. And again, I'll probably drop them several times. Yeah, I just did it. In fact, 2 seconds, I just said that. Let me save them, put them in here. And last 2. Okay, so I want to show you guys how I make my pepper bits. Very, very easy. And let's have a little play. Now, I've got, not long ago from Amazon, so I had my Sharpies for a very long time, but I've recently bought, I think it's this one, yeah. So I've bought bronze, gold and silver Sharpie. Never used them, so I really want to have a go and see what they look like with the bits. Now, what will I have with gold? Probably need some neon green and gold. No, I have the gold and the green together. So what you do, so I don't know if you can see my triangle. I don't know if it's all in there. So you just simply color. You can leave white. So if you want to see the white on your bits, you leave a white. But I won't, so I will use the green to fill the white bits. So simply paint or color, in this case, the triangle. So if you want, let me show you. If you want the stripes to be even, like this one, there, so you leave the white pieces there. So you do gold, white, gold, white, gold, white, gold, white, or green, or whatever the color is. If you want a different effect, so if you want more like a zebra sort of effect, so you do gold, green there, and then on the opposite gold and green, and then you alternated. And I will show you in just a moment what it looks like when you roll them up. Okay, so we do exactly the same. Oh, it's actually really nice dark green, these. So now we're going to get toothpick and some glue in there. So what you simply do, start from the bottom of your triangle, position the toothpick there, and you just simply roll them. There is a millions of tutorial on YouTube how to make paper bits. You can do recycle if you use like your magazine. You can use like books, paper from books. So again, there's so many things you can do you can use to make paper bits. Okay, so what you do is simply roll them, roll them, roll them. And the secret is just trying to stay in the middle of the bed, so you still see all the color through. Okay, and then put some glue at the end. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I mean, I'll use some Mod Podge so it will dry clear. So that's the gold and green evenly. So you see you got a stripe of green, a stripe of gold, a stripe of green, a stripe of gold, and so on. And I forgot to mention, as a finishing, I used a glossy varnish. This would make them look like plastic because it's a really gloss paint. I got this from Amazon not long ago. So really recommend that. So yeah, so that's one. Okay, and now I'll show you guys what it looks like when you do the alternate. So you go gold and green on the same part of the bit. So get another toothpick, and then same things. You start. The secret is to start very tight. What I've done now. There. Start very tight, and then you roll them up. With this technique, A, you can use any different papers that you like, and B, you can use so many different color combinations. You can make any colors that you like, literally anything. So any color combination that you would like to experiment, go for it. Okay, so as you can see, as I'm rolling them up, you see the stripes, the gold and green, they're all not uneven. And that's why, because when we were colouring them, we were doing alternate rather than, okay. Okay, you see this white bit, but it will dry. Let me just press it down. There. Very different bits, but it's the same technique. Okay, and I'm going to do one more with you guys. I want to use the silver. I'm really conscious to see what the silver looks like. And I thought we'd do silver and this lovely teal together. I really like those two. So we use the green first. No, in fact, use the silver first. It's better if you start with the lighter colour first. And I want to use more silver than teal, so my grey area, my silver area, that bigger than the teal. So when you colour them, I give it the silver bigger spaces, if it makes sense. You know I'm rubbish in explaining things, but I hope you know what I'm talking about. So silver, more silver, a bit more teal, and then the tip will be silver. And we do the same. I mean, you can use, I'm using a white, this is a very cheap white paper, copy paper, really cheap, guys. But you can use a color cardstock, and then you go with like a black Sharpie or another different colors to create your stripes. So just simply roll them up again. There. And you just keep rolling them. The secret is to keep it in the middle, so your strips, they're always in the middle there. So that's why you get a nicer shape. So the longer the strip, the fat is your bead. Okay, sorry I'm not chatting, I'm just concentrating. Oh. And of course, because I'm filming, everything has got to be wrong. So, and I'm trying to be quick as well, because I don't want to bore you. We're almost there. So frustrating. This is what I'm saying. It's because it's me. It's nothing wrong. It's me being clumsy. You see, this is why I don't really make stuff like that, because what a normal person takes 2 seconds, to me, it takes 3 hours. So because I've got big hands and horrible nails, so I'm very envy when I see you guys making tutorial with your proper posh nails. That's it. That's the bid. Silver and teal. I love it. I really love these sharp metal Sharpies. There. Yeah. So last thing I want to show you. So on here, I've done vertical lines with the silver, and I want to show you what it looks like if you do horizontal lines. Very different effect. You will see in just a minute. Okay, so get the toothpick, and then you will start rolling. So the silver will come through, and then you will see tiny, tiny, tiny bit of teal. You will only see a tiny bit of it. And I love that. I love that effect. I'll show you in just a second when we finish rolling the tip. There. You see, you only see a little tiny tip and the white. So you see the difference between that and that. You can use, I mean, I use the white paper as I said, but you can use any sort of different cardstock that you want. Okay, that is it, guys. Very, very simple. Let me show you the gold, the gold and green. Love them, love them, love them. So again, you can use any different colors that you like. So as soon as they will dry in just 2 seconds, I will put the glossy varnish and make them look more like very steady. Guys, that is it for today. I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give us a usual thumbs up because I support the video doing well. If you're not already, guys, please subscribe to the channel. That will mean a lot to me as usual. Any chit chats and video requests, I'm on Instagram and I will put the link on the screen now. Just before you crack on, I just want to say thank you to Cobeads and the guys that gave me a discount code, which I will put on the screen now. Let me use a white cardstock, so I put the discount code now and you get $5 off your first order. Okay, thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a lovely day and I will see you very soon. Bye.